Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions for our Twin Flame Soulmate reading. So, keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift ang energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, nahulog na agad yung temperance natin and the full card. It's Sagittarius and Aries. Sagittarius and Aries energy. Parang magte-take pa rin ng risk, maghihintay pa rin sa kanyang twin flame. Tingnan natin. We have the judgment. Oh, decision. Parang nakapag-desisyon na still kahit mahirap maghihintay pa rin sa kanyang twin flame. So we have here the Knight of Wands. So like ko sinasabi, lahat ng tao may soulmate. Pero ang twin flame, yan ay very rare. Hindi lahat ng tao may twin flame. So kung hindi to para sa iyo, ayan, maaring Page of Cups. Diba? Like ko sinasabi, maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. And Ten of Pentacles. Lalo na kung kayo ay who's dealing with a toxic past person, hindi to para sa'yo. Okay? We have here the Five of Wands. Kaya kung inyong mga past person is very toxic, ayaw nyo na, ibig sabihin, hindi to para sa inyo. Kasi it's a twin flame journey. Itong reading natin para sa mga twin flame connections. We also have here the Eight of Swords, Nine of Swords, and the Page of Pentacles. Bottom card natin, Four of Pentacles. Okay, so itong twin flame mo, still holding on, umaasa siya na magkakaayos itong connection na ito, magtatagpo ulit kayong dalawa. Nakapag-decide na siya na maghintay sa'yo. Parang sinukuan na niya ito, or parang ikaw ito nagdesisyon na maghintay pa rin sa kanya, na kahit na ganun ang nangyari, na yung twin flame mo ay natali sa isang karmic connection. So, with this Eight of Swords, Five of Wands, Nine of Swords, ayan, natali siya sa kanyang karmic partner. And then, with this Ten of Pentacles, it's a completion. So, maaaring nasa na siya, in the process na siya ng separation sa kanyang karmic. So, maaaring natutunan niya na yung mga karmic lessons niya. And this person is craving for this union of hearts with you. So, we have here the sweet card. Ayan o, diba? Like ko sinasabi kanina na this person nakapag-decide na siya na hintayin ka. Or nakapag-decision ka na hintayin itong twin flame mo. So, we also have here medication. So, parehas kayo na maaaring for some of you, in the process of healing, and yung iba naman sa inyo is tapos na sa healing process. And wow, we have here the butterfly. It's spiritual awakening. So talagang malaki ang energy dito, malakas ang energy dito na this person is planning or preparing for this union of hearts. We also have here camera and candle. Ayan, minamanifest niya na to ginagawa niya na to ng paraan Bottom card is luck. So, kahit na nalock siya, natrap siya sa kanyang karmic cycle, ginagawa niya naman to ng paraan para makawala na siya doon sa kanyang masalimuot na karmic connection. So, maaaring nag-decide na maghihintay, ayan. And, tingnan pa natin. Ano ba ang mga messages ng archangels natin? Kaya kung if you are dealing with a toxic past person na talagang isinuka na ng sistema mo, ibig sabihin you're not in a twin flame connection. So, hindi para sa'yo ang reading na ito. Okay, so tingnan natin sa ating messages ng archangels. We have here, wow, tingnan mo naman. Relationship Harmony by Archangel Raguel. We angels are opening the hearts of everyone involved. Arguments and conflicts are being resolved now. Tingnan mo naman, tinutulungan ka na ng mga angels behind the scenes ng ating mga archangels to have this union of hearts with your twin flame. Talagang malakas kayo sa mga archangels natin. Tingnan natin, initials muna tayo. Nahulog na agad itong mga initials natin dito. We have R, Q, A, I. Letter K, J, Z, letter P, T, and V. Bottom card natin, E. Ayan. So, tingnan natin. Messages ng ating tarot messages. Oracle card. Tired and need rest. So, pagod na pagod siya sa paggagawa ng mga paraan para malampasan tong karmic lessons, matutunan yung mga lessons in life, karmic lessons, karmic relationship, karmic partner. So, pagod na pagod siya dito Talagang very hectic din yung schedule niya. Talagang pilit niyang ginagawa ng paraan. We also have here, you're my rest and my healer. Kasi nga, very soothing talaga ang energy kapag ang twin flame nagtagpong muli. So, itong union of hearts is very soothing, very healing. Talaga naman, masasabing you're my rest and my healer. Kahit pagod na pagod siya sa kanyang trabaho, sa mga ginagawa niya sa buhay, sa journey niya, ay once na magtagpo ulit kayong dalawa with this union of hearts, very soothing yun. Talagang lahat ng pagod is worth it. Kasi talagang hindi niyo sinukuan Hindi niyo sinukuan tong connection na to. Kaya worth it ang outcome nito. So we have here, I hate my pride and ego. Pero may mga ego problem pa siya rito. So, we also have your husband, the wife material. Moving forward, I'm honest to you. Business is business. Maaari may mga pinaplanong business or mga business na tinatayo to have this future. And I have fear and anxiety. Bottom card natin, sorry, I'm wasted. Okay, so tingnan natin more messages sa ating The Hidden Truth Oracle cards. So tingnan pa natin more messages here. We have here, it was my fault, but I blamed you. You don't know how hard it was to let you go. I love you. Oh. I replay our conversations over and over. So, pilit pa rin binabasa yung mga messages na yan. And I wish I could take back my words. So, yung mga nasabi niya noon during separation, binabawi niya na. And I feel you leaving me behind. Pero parang ikaw naman yung malayo ang loob. And I left when I saw you with someone. So, may umalis, may umiwas dahil sa third party, which is the karmic partner. Bottom card, I'm so attracted to you. Yan. And tingnan natin sa ating blue card. We have here, confessions, all strings attached, and karmic relationship. So, yan na nga, for some of you, malakas pa rin ang energy na this twin flame of yours is still in a karmic relationship. Pero ginagawa niya na to ng paraan para matapos. Kasi nga, in the process na siya ng spiritual awakening, unti-unti niya nang nararanasan, nararamdaman, nare-realize yung mga dapat niyang ma-realize. Okay, so tingnan natin. Sa general signs and the messages natin. So we have here sword and the earth sign. Ang sword natin, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. We have here logical, gorgeous, animal lover, quiet person, number 4, practical, mirror, kasi mirrored souls kayo We have May, another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, good heart, Taurus, and amazing. September, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Confusing kasi for some of you may mga nako-confuse pa about this. We have here Sagittarius, ex-lover, Visayas, National Capital Region, Capricorn, Cold City, Mountain card, Beautiful, Cancer sign, future lover. Cup is water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and crazy for you. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.